Hello and welcome to this tutorial on an easier way to paint a tree. This tutorial is first about how to use your brush. We're going to paint a silhouette only using one color. When doing a landscape painting, you're probably going to need some trees. In my experience, students will often dab to create the texture. A more effective way is to leave some negative space or lighter and darker tones within the leaves or branches themselves. So I've applied some paint to my brush, only going halfway up the bristles, and I've narrowed the tip of my brush as well. This effect can also be applied to smaller brushes and even rounded tip ones for different leaf effects. To illustrate, I'm going to quickly paint a tree starting at the base. As I move my brush upwards, I'm exerting less pressure to get a tapered effect with the line. I'll then do the same with the other branches. Starting from the top, I have my bristles flat again, and I'm simply going to apply some light pressure and work my way around the branches. I want to leave some blank or empty spaces to these leafy areas so it looks more natural instead of too technical or mechanical. As mentioned before, you'll get different effects with different tipped brushes. What we're trying to avoid is the dabbed effect, as mentioned earlier here. So I'm moving my hand erratically so as not to create a pattern rhythm within the tree. So I hope this technique helps, and the next step would be to learn how to utilize this with different tones and values within the tree. So for a quick review, start at the base. As you move up, apply less pressure to get a tapered effect. Add in the other branches with the same technique. Scumble in your leaves, and best of luck.